A tiny chip must be transferred to the new glass. Today we're repairing this iPhone 14. The front of the phone shows no signs of drops, and the frame's finish remains pristine. But flipping it over reveals a disaster. The back glass is completely shattered. Will replacing the back glass restore its factory-grade water resistance? Stay tuned. When checking the phone's info, we noticed the system language is set to Japanese. Is the owner Japanese?
Nani?
This is a 128GB iPhone 14. See the YA code here? Confirmed, it's a Japanese model. Wearing anti-static gloves and a grounding wristband. Let's begin. Removing the to-bottom screws. But with such severe back glass damage, suction cups won't work. We'll use a blade instead. Drizzling a small amount of alcohol into the gaps to soften the adhesive. Just enough to avoid damaging internal components. Gently prying open the edges. Remember, unofficial repairs void Apple's warranty. If your phone is still under warranty, think carefully. Inspecting the interior. The layout is clean. Confirming no prior repairs. Covering the camera lens to prevent dust. Removing the to-shield plates. Unscrewing all screws. Disconnecting cables. And finally detaching the shattered back glass. The iPhone 14 series allows standalone back glass replacement, which is convenient. We've prepared a refurbished back glass. But installation isn't straightforward. A tiny chip must be transferred to the new glass. Without it, photos taken with flash won't save properly, and image order gets scrambled. First, cleaning residual glass shards from the frame. Leftover debris could puncture the battery, causing swelling. The battery surface has minor wrinkles. Smoothing it out improves appearance. Next, removing old waterproof adhesive. After thorough cleaning, we'll apply new factory-grade adhesive to restore water and dust resistance. This is clean enough, no glue left now. We discovered a hidden internal frame crack, no external damage, but a classic internal injury from impact. Reinforcing the crack with UV-cured resin. Moving to the back glass. Under a microscope, we peel off the sticker, apply flux, heat with a hot air gun, take out the original chip. Same process to take out chip on the refurbished back cover. And transfer the original chip to the replacement glass. Clean it and reassembling with new adhesive. Clean it again. Thoroughly cleaning the camera area to eliminate dust. Apply a new back cover sticker. Installing the new back glass. Reattaching shield plates, and tightening screws. Peeling off the adhesive's second protective layer. Final check, no missing parts, then closing the phone. The reborn iPhone now sports a flawless back. using a pressurization tool to ensure seal integrity. Reinserting the bottom screws. Take out SIM card holder, sticker on charging port, and check air tightness. Testing air tightness after repair. Result: failed. Likely due to the internal frame crack. But daily water or dust resistance remains functional. Powering on. We can see it is still the same phone. Testing the flashlight. Works perfectly. This Japanese iPhone 14's back glass replacement is complete. All phone parts and tools sell on TiVo.com.